we said that we had time here, and we had number of points.
Mm-hmm.
Victor, can you tell us what you did for this?
For the time,
Yep.
I put 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, so we had 0 seconds, 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 4, and 5. Caesar, well, how else did you fill in this table?
I was like
How'd
a
you
running
fill in
back
the table?
because I hit the whole line.
Hang on, I'm gonna wait for it to be silent. Go ahead. Okay, so what did we start with?
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30.
Great. So, Malcolm, what were some things that you noticed from your table of values?
Got it.
Hang on, I'm gonna wait for it to be silent. Try it again.
It's adding 5
Adding 5, how did you know for sure?
because the difference between 5 and 10 is 5.
So we have plus 5.
Plus 5, plus 6. Okay.
Okay, so we see it's plus 5 each time. Great. Maria, do you agree? Yeah? Did you notice anything else about the graph or about the table? Victor, what else did you notice about the table?
It's even.
It's even. What does that mean?
That has the same ratio per second.
Ah, how did you get that? How do you see that on the table?
Because when it's 0, at 5.
Okay.
Then when it's a 1, 5. So I did 1, 7, 5.
Okay, so we can say we said up by 5, and you said it's an even. And what word did you use specifically?
Ratio.
Ratio. Okay, the same ratio. We're actually gonna get to that later. Great. So Diana, what do you think? Is this sequence arithmetic or geometric? What did you say? Shh, I'm gonna wait for it to be silent. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Diana, can you tell us again, why did you say it was arithmetic? Okay. Kyra, do you agree with Diana? Yes, why? It's not multiplying. So we know that arithmetic is when we
Add or subtract.
add or subtract, and geometric is when we.
Multiply, divide.
Okay, so we can say that this is arithmetic.
Because you're adding 5.
We add 5. Just once?
6 times.
Yeah, 6 times.
5 times.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you. Great. All right. So we've looked at this table and seen that's arithmetic. We're now going to graph it, which you guys already did. So can I get a volunteer to come up and graph? Avid participator. All right. Here you go. I'm going to draw it accordingly. All right. Great.
This is the time.
Yep, that's our time. Yep, great. So while Victor is graphing and sharing his work, make sure that you're double checking your answers. Don't take a seat. Okay. Oh. All right, so we started. Great, so Victor's just graphing. Awesome. And it goes all the way to 30, yes. Great. Awesome. Thank you for, I was just going to say thank you for labeling your axes. Okay. Excellent. Did anyone get something different for their graph? Caesar, did you get the same thing? Yeah, you got something different?
Mine didn't have a smiley face.
Fair enough. Caesar, did you get the same
I
thing
like
for your
this
graph?
better.
So if we were to connect the dots, Josh, what shape is this graph? I'm gonna wait on Josh. Head up, please. this graph that we just drew? A what? Okay, a straight line. And Kyrie, why might it be a straight line? Okay, we can say something, it has something to do with how it's going up by 5. Up, going up by 5. Okay, so that has something to do with the fact that it's straight. We're going to investigate that. Flip over to the back. Some of you have already started. You're going to do the same thing, but now with a pattern. So we're not talking about Mario anymore. So go ahead and flip the page over. And you want to scroll down for a second? Next page. Thanks.
Literally.
Alright, so we're going to keep track of 2 things. Victor, what 2 things can we keep track of in our pattern on the back page?
The X and the Y. I don't know what's called.
What's called what?
The thingies.
The thingies.
The numbers. Act 5.
Maria, what would you call it? The square. Okay, so we can say the number of squares. So go ahead and make a table, and then we're going to talk about whether this is arithmetic or not. Alright? So take about 7 minutes to work on this.
Can I grab this one too?
Yes. Blank enthusiasm. Stop it now. And then we're gonna, and then we'll do like a discussion.